Welcome back to the 710 Experiment. I'm Gus. I'm sitting in my 2000 Civic CX hatchback, and I wasn't going to record this to begin with because I've already recorded a radio install in this car, but I hate the radio that I installed. And don't get me wrong, I love Pioneer radios. I've used them since I was a teenager, and I really thought this one was going to be a good one, and I hate it. Hate everything about it. See this Pioneer SPH-10BT? It looks like it'd be a pretty simple radio. The face is supposed to come off. This pops out, and you've got a telephone holder. It's shoddy. You have to take your phone out of the case. If you have anything that has side buttons, it presses them if it's in a position that you're going to actually hold the phone in. And you've got to put the face back on to make it work. And the face is a pain in the butt to come off. Right now, there it is. It's crap. Put it away. And to run it just like that, it works fine, except you have to have a Pioneer app on your phone, and it has to connect pretty regularly, otherwise you lose all your preset everything. I hate the radio. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to put in a cheapy Amazon double din. I think it's called a Toto, and I'm going to see if I like it any better. Well, now that the radio's out, I took the whole radio, the bezel. This one, if you look really close, there it is, right there. It's got a hairline crack in it. Fortunately, I have another radio bezel, and this is the radio that I decided to put into it. I figured while I was at it, I'd better fix some of the LEDs that are flashing in the dash, and I've got a 3D printed horn shoe adapter that I bought that looks pretty promising. I'll link that below, so if you guys want a functioning horn on a Civic or whatever, Honda wise, you can hook it up with an aftermarket quick release steering wheel, and you'll still have your horn. It's hard to see, but this is the horn adapter. I'm going to turn the lights on. You're going to hear a nasty beeping, so if you're wearing earphones, you might want to turn it down a little bit. This is the light that's flashing. And I'm going to pull the speedometer out and change that. I may just replace all the lights in the back of the board. Here's the light that was mainly flickering. The red one on the right is the one that was bad, and I replaced it with one like the one on the left here. And the rest of them were these little itty bitty, like 5mm Neo twist LED lights. Hopefully that took care of it. Oh yeah. That's a lot better. Now that all that's put back together, I just gotta clean up my mess, finish tightening everything back up, tidying it back up, and then I might do a seat video. Of course, it is getting kind of low on light outside, so I might leave the seat video to another day. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and hopefully you learned something here today. Pioneer radio apps garbage, something. So I hope you guys have a good night. We'll see you next time.